When you first get your flat top, it comes with a coating from the factory to keep it from getting surface rust. It's also not completely smooth. You'll feel it's a little bit bumpy to the touch. So what you're going to do is get yourself some 120 grit sandpaper and sand this whole thing down. If you're using a power sander, it's going to save a lot of time, but you're trying to take off that coating that they put on there and also smooth it out to the touch. You'll see that's all that gook you're trying to get off. And you'll see the color change as I'm sanding this. Now it is metal, so you're going to cook through some sandpaper. You're just trying to knock it down and make it smooth to the touch and get that coating off so that when you season it with the oils, it's going right into the metal. I sanded the outside of this too. That's not totally necessary, but I figured I was doing it once, so I may as well knock it all out. Make sure you get the lip and right down in the corners. Seasoning this properly and getting it sanded and smooth is also going to make it easier to cook on and keep clean. Spraying this down with dish soap. This is going to be the only time probably you're going to wash this down with dish soap. Give it a quick wipe, hit it again with the dish soap, and then rinse this thing off real well. Keep in mind, this is the only time you're going to clean it this way, so put in the work. Now you can remove these tops and just dump them out that way, but I just decided to gur it and just tilt the whole thing back and let the water drain out. And that is what you want. A nice, clean, even, sanded down top ready for seasoning. First thing you're going to do is cut on the gas, get all your burners to full bore and bring this thing up to temperature. To season a flat top properly, you want this thing screaming hot. Another thing that's nice about this process is it'll give you a real clear visual representation this first time of your heat zone. You can see it discolor the hottest spots of the flat top and your cooler areas around the edge, so you know future cooking exactly where your hottest spots are on your flat top. Now that it's screaming hot, we're going to start the seasoning process. You're going to use a really thin coat of your oil. I'm using grapeseed oil here, but you can use peanut oil, and pretty much any high temperature oil is going to work well for you. You probably want to avoid oils with a lot of flavor in them, like olive oil, but even still, if you season with olive oil, it's not like you're going to ruin the flat top. And all you're doing here is putting a real thin coat on the entire flat top and then letting it burn off. To be clear, this seasoning process is the process of burning this oil off of the actual flat top, which is creating your non-stick coating. It's going to make it easier to cook on, and it's also going to keep it from rusting. Take your time and do this initial seasoning once right, and it's going to make it real easy to keep this thing seasoned, and it's going to cook better. Between each coat, you're going to let it completely burn off until it stops smoking altogether. And then once it completely stops smoking, you're going to go back in and you're going to give it another coat. Same exact process, nice thin coat of your seasoning oil. I did this 3 times, and after that I've got a great, smooth, seasoned, ready to cook on flat top. Last thing you want to do after you season this is smash that like button. It helps my channel and I really appreciate it. If you're into cooking, go ahead and hit subscribe too. Get updated whenever I drop new barbecuing or grilling or cooking videos. And while you're at it, check out my beer brewing videos.